Hey everybody, welcome to Vintage Guitar Workshop. John Heaney here with Jesse London. And we just got some amazing amps into the shop. We got a 57 Fender Vibrolux Tweed. This is completely original, untouched. Still has the original capacitors, original power cord. So we are running it off of a voltage attenuator so that it's running at 110 volts as it was intended to do in 1957. So, Jesse, give us a little demo of what a 57 Fender Vibrolux sounds like. Nice, little Link Ray.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
That's some tone.
That's some tone. That's a 57 Vibrolux from Fender. The reason it's called a Vibrolux is because it's got vibrato. Let's do a little vibrato. Very nice vibrato sound. There you have it. It's a 10-inch Jensen speaker, the original speaker, original power cord, original capacitors, unchanged. We're going to try it now with a single coil so you can get a different idea of what that sounds like in comparison. Nice. Well, to my ears, it sounds great with either guitar.
Absolutely.
57 Vibrolux from Fender in Tweed, original speaker, all completely original, untouched, here at Vintage Guitar Workshop. Let us know what you think about our videos. Please leave comments, and please like us, subscribe to our YouTube video channel. Thank you.